Hi guys, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon is Math 4, Quarter 3, Module 5. It's all about elapsed time. So ngayon is Lesson 1 tayo, Finding the Elapsed Time. So ano ang ibig sabihin ng elapsed time? Elapsed time is the amount of time that passes from the beginning of an event to its end. So ang ibig sabihin ng elapsed time is kung gaano kahaba yung oras na na-consume mo sa iyong ginagawa from the start to the end. So yun ang tinatawag nating elapsed time. At meron tayong mga ways of finding the elapsed time. So meron tayong tatlong ways. Ang first is using number line. Second is counting or skip counting. Third is subtract the starting time from the end time. Dahil alam na natin ang elapsed time, meron tayong problem dito. So example, Maria ate her breakfast at 7 a.m. She finished at 7:25 a.m. How long did Maria eat her breakfast? So, ang hinahanap natin again dito is ang elapsed time or kung gaano kahaba ang oras na na-take ni Maria sa pagkain ng kanyang breakfast. So, ang first na gagawin natin is gagamitan natin siya ng number line. So, meron tayong number line dito. Ang 7 a.m. is ang starting time ni Maria. So, start time. And then, ang 7:25 a.m. is ang end time. Or ang finishing time ni Maria. Ayan. So, ang starting time ni Maria is 7 a.m. Ang kanyang finishing time is ang 7:25 a.m. So, ngayon gagamitin natin ng number line para ma-solve natin kung ilang minutes ba ang na-take ni Maria sa pagkain ng kanyang breakfast. So, from 7 a.m. to 7:05, meron tayo ditong 5 minutes. And then, 7:05 to 7:10, meron tayo ditong 5 minutes. 7:10 to 7:15, another 5. 7:15 to 7:20, another 5. And then, 7:20 to 7:25 is another 5. So, ngayon is i-count natin kung ilang minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, ibig sabihin, si Maria kumain ng kanyang breakfast sa loob ng 25 minutes. Or ang elapsed time ni Maria is 25 minutes. Sa skip counting naman is para lang din tayong nag-number line. So, i-count lang natin siya, skip counting by 5. So, from 7 a.m., 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, 25 minutes ang elapsed time ni Maria. So, ngayon is itry natin yung subtraction. So, isubtract natin itong ating start time sa ating end time. So, ang 7:25 ay ang end time natin at ang 7 a.m. is ang ating start time. So, isubtract natin siya. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. And then 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. And then 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So, same lang yung sagot nila, 25 minutes. Okay, so meron tayong pangalawang example. Jose is doing his homework in math. He started at 6 hours, 30 minutes, and 25 seconds p.m. and finished at 7 hours, 10 minutes, and 45 seconds p.m. How long did Jose do his homework? So kung napansin nyo, meron na tayong seconds. Kanina is hours and minutes lang yung example natin. So ngayon, meron na tayong kasaling seconds. So, ito yung given natin. Ang ating end time is 7 hours, 10 minutes, and 45 seconds. Ang ating starting time is 6 hours, 30 minutes, and 25 seconds. So, ang pag-solve natin is isubtract natin itong ating starting time sa ating end time. Titingnan muna natin ang ating end time kagaya ng ating minutes. So, ang minutes natin dito is 10. Ang minutes dito sa ating starting time is 30. So, meaning, mas maliit itong ating minuend kaysa sa ating subtrahend. So, ang gagawin natin is mag-borrow muna tayo ng 1 hour kay 7 hours. So, mag-borrow tayo ng 1 hour dito kay 7 hours. So, ang mangyayari is, si 7 hours is magiging 6 hours. Pagkatapos ang ating 10 minutes is i-add natin ang i-convert natin ang ating 1 hour into minutes. So, alam naman natin na ang ating 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, ang naborrow natin na 1 hour dito kay 7, i-add natin dito kay 10 minutes. So, ang i-add natin is hindi 1, kundi 60 minutes. So, plus 60 tayo dito. So, itong ating 6 hours, 10 minutes plus 60 minutes is magiging 6. 10 plus 60 is equal to 70 minutes and 45 seconds. So, kopyahin natin ang ating subtrahend. Minus 6 hours, 30 minutes, and 25 seconds. So, pwede na tayong mag-subtract kasi mas malaki na yung minuend natin. So, mag-subtract na tayo galing dito sa ating seconds. So, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And then sa ating minutes, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating elapsed time is 40 minutes and 20 seconds. Ibig sabihin, si Jose nag-answer ng kanyang homework sa math sa loob ng 40 minutes and 20 seconds. So, ang lesson 1 natin is finding the elapsed time. Ngayon naman, ang lesson 2 natin is estimating elapsed time. So, meron tayong example dito or napag-aralan na natin kung ano yung elapsed time. Ang elapsed time is yung amount ng time na nagdaan simula sa yung ginagawa hanggang natapos ka. So, yun ang tinatawag nating elapsed time. So, meron tayong example dito. Aliyah took a bath at 5:17 a.m. and finishes it at 5:38 a.m. About how many minutes she spent in taking a bath? Ano yung hinahanap natin? Ang hinahanap natin is about how many minutes she spent in taking a bath. So, ilang minutes daw naligo si Aliyah. So, yun ang hahanapin natin. Ngayon, ano yung word na nagsasuggest na itong problem natin is nagsasuggest na estimate natin ang ating elapsed time? So, meron tayong word dito na about. So, si about is nagsasuggest na i-estimate natin ang elapsed time ni Aliyah. Meron tayong given. So, ang given natin is ang starting time is 5:17 a.m. And then, ang ating end time is 5:38 a.m. So, ito yung actual time natin. Ngayon, i-estimate natin siya. So, this is our actual. And dito sa kabila is ang ating estimated time. Okay? So, sa pag-estimate ng ating time, ang gagawin natin is i-round off natin ang ating minutes. So, saan yung minutes natin? Ito yung ating hours at ito yung ating minutes. I-round off natin ang ating minutes to the nearest 10. So, ang pag-round off natin nito, i-round off natin ang ating starting time, 5:17. So, ang minutes natin is 17. I-round off natin siya into the nearest 10. Ano yung pinakamalapit na 10 sa ating 17? So, 20. So, ibig sabihin, ang estimated time natin dito sa kanyang pag-start is 5:20. And then, dito sa end time natin, 38. Saan mas malapit si 38 sa kanyang 10 or nearest 10? Sa 40. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating end time is 5:40 a.m. So, ito na yung estimated time natin. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is isubtract na natin silang dalawa. So, isubtract natin ang ating starting time from our end time. So, ang end time natin is 5:40. Ito yung ating end time. And then, ang ating beginning is 5:20. So, 5:20 ang starting. End time, 5:40. Starting time is 5:20. So, ngayon is isubtract na natin siya. So, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, ang estimated time sa pagligo ni Aliyah is 20 minutes. Itong actual naman yung isubtract natin. So, 5:38 minus 5:17. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So, ang actual time ng pagligo ni Aliyah is 21 minutes. At ang ating estimated time is 20 minutes. Now, balikan natin ang ating question about how many minutes she spent in taking a bath. So, ang sagot natin dito is 20 minutes. Kasi estimated time yung hinahanap natin, hindi itong actual time. So about 20 minutes is the elapsed time. Example number 2. So Pedro loves to read magical stories. He begins reading at 8:48 a.m. and stops to take some break at 9:13 a.m. About how long did he read? So meron naman tayong about. So ibig sabihin, i-estimate natin yung time na nagbasa si Pedro. So ano yung hinahanap natin? About how long did Pedro read his stories? So ito yung question natin. So ngayon, ang given natin is, ang start time natin is 8:48 a.m. 8:48 a.m. and ang ating end time is 9:13 a.m. Ito yung actual time natin, ang given. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is i-estimate natin siya. So, ang starting time natin is 8:48. I-round off natin ang ating 48 minutes to the nearest 10. So, si 8:48 is magiging 8:50 a.m. And then si 9:13 is magiging, si 13, i-round off natin to the nearest 10 is magiging 9. So si 13, i-round off natin sa 10 kasi mas malapit siya sa 10. 9:13 a.m. So ito na yung estimated time natin. Okay, so this is our estimated and this is our actual. Dahil na-estimate na natin ang ating starting time at ang ating end time, isubtract na natin sila. So, isubtract natin ang ating starting time from our end time. So, 9:10 minus 8:50. So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? Dahil ang minutes natin dito sa ating minuend, mas maliit kaysa sa ating subtrahend. So, mas maliit si 10 compare kay 50. So, ang gagawin natin is si 10 mag-borrow ng 1 hour kay 9 hours. So, magiging, si 9 hours is magiging 8 hours. Pagkatapos si 10 minutes is dadagdagan natin siya again ng 60 minutes. Kasi ang na-borrow natin na 1 hour dito is equivalent to 60 minutes. Pagkatapos, kopyahin natin si 8R and then 10 plus 60 is equal to 70. So, kopyahin lang natin itong ating subtrahend na 850. Ayan. So, pwede na tayong mag-subtract. So, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and then 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin ang ating elapsed time or ang ating estimated elapsed time is 20 minutes na nagbasa si Pedro ng kanyang magical stories. Therefore, Pedro reads his magical stories for about 20 minutes. So, ngayon is nasa lesson 3 na tayo. Ang lesson 1 natin is about finding elapsed time. Pagkatapos ang lesson 2 natin is estimating elapsed time. So, ang lesson 3 natin, solving problems involving elapsed time. So, ano nga ulit yung elapsed time? Ang elapsed time is the amount of time that passes from the beginning of an event to its end. So, ibig sabihin kung gaano kahaba yung time na nagdaan sa pagsisimula mo hanggang sa natapos ka sa iyong ginagawa. So, yun ang tinatawag nating elapsed time. Meron tayong example dito. Miss Jenny started watching her TV program at 8:15 a.m. She finished watching at 8:55 a.m. How long did she watch her favorite TV program? So, ang problem na to is kagaya lang rin ng mga problems sa lesson 1 at lesson 2 natin. Pero of course, ang lesson 3 natin is gagamitan natin siya ng mga steps in solving the problem. So, hindi pwede na diretso lang natin siyang i-subtract or i-add at may sagot na tayo agad. Kailangan natin gamitin ang ating steps in solving the problem. So, ano ang mga steps na yon? Step 1 is understand. Step 2 is plan. Step 3 is solve. And step 4 is check and look back. So, mag-start na tayo. Uunahin natin ang understand. Ito yung first step sa ating solving problem. So, understand. Kailangan nating intindihin kung ano yung hinahanap sa problem. So, letter A, what is asked in the problem. So, iintindihin natin kung ano yung hinahanap sa problem. At letter B, what are the given. So, kung ano yung given sa ating problem. So, letter A, what is asked. So, ano yung hinahanap natin? The length of time Miss Jenny spent in watching her favorite TV program. So, ito yung hinahanap natin. And then, what are the given? So, ang given natin are 8:15 a.m. and 8:55 a.m. Dahil tapos na tayo sa understand, gayon naman is punta tayo sa second step which is plan. So sa plan, meron din tayong dalawang point. Sa plan is, what operation will you use and what is the number sentence? So ano yung operation na gagamitin natin para mahanap natin kung ilang minuto si Miss Jenny nakatingin sa kanyang favorite TV program. So ngayon, anong operation ang gagamitin natin? Ang gagamitin natin na operation is subtraction. Okay, so subtraction. And then what is the number sentence? So paano natin isulat sa number sentence ang ating given? So ang pagkasulat natin is 8:55 a.m. minus 8:15 a.m. is equal to n. Okay, dahil tapos na tayo sa step 1 at step 2, ngayon is sa step 3 naman tayo, which is solve. So, isolve na natin ang ating given. So, that is 8:55 a.m. minus 8:15 a.m. So, isubtract na natin sila. So, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And then, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, meron na tayong sagot, 40 minutes. Okay, so step 4 na tayo. So, ang step 4 natin is check and look back. So, i-check natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin. Sa pag-check natin is, i-add natin ang ating difference at ang ating difference. Okay, saan yung difference natin? Itong 40 minutes. So, ito yung ating difference. I-add natin siya at ang ating subtrahend. Okay, so saan ang subtrahend natin dito? Ito ang ating subtrahend, ito ang ating minuend. So, i-add natin ang ating subtrahend which is 8:15. So, i-add natin ito para ma-check natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin. So, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 and then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. So, ibig sabihin, magkapareho yung ating minuend at ang ating sagot dito sa pag-add ng ating difference at subtrahend. Ibig sabihin, tama yung ating answer na 40 minutes. Ang ating sagot is, Miss Jenny watched her favorite TV program in 40 minutes. So, ito yung sagot natin. Hindi yung isusulat mo lang yung 40 minutes. So, hindi pwede na ganito lang yung isulat mo, 40 minutes. Ganito dapat pagkasulat ang iyong sagot. Miss Jenny watched her favorite TV program in 40 minutes. That's all for today's video, guys. See you on our next lesson. Bye!